Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna make some fluid functional PS4 web shooters today. Personally, I've always liked these guys. They've reminded me of like a sleeker, slimmed down version of the TASM 2 web shooters. And as you all know, TASM 2 is my absolute favorite Spider-Man. This is a fairly easy web shooter to make, definitely a beginner build. The cartridge and valve are one unit, whereas the web shooter itself is just a glorified housing. So without any further ado, let's go over to the computer and take a look at these CAD files. Alright, so here we have them. It's a 3-piece system. We have the body, the top, and the trigger. Pretty simple. Let's take these to the printer. Right. The bottom. And the top. And now the trigger. Here's the body all printed out. And the top. Gonna need a CO2 cartridge, a hex bushing that fits, and a disposable lighter. Also a washer, some nylon strap, 2 neodymium earth magnets, a metal buckle. This is just a test fit. Make sure all our parts fit together nicely, and the cartridge slides in. We're going to disassemble the lighter and unscrew the valve. Drill a hole through the hex bushing. Now the valve seats right in. And do the same for the CO2 cartridge. Test fitting the valve, and it fits. Great. Screw it all together, and there we have it. Use some epoxy and glue around the valve and set it in, just like that. I glued 2 magnets to the bottom. That way when you slide in the cartridge, it won't fall out. Grab your elastic strap and just hot glue it. Feed it through, measure it to your wrist, and hot glue the other side. See how we're looking here. Pretty great. Glue this down now. Just like that. Test fit, it looks great. We can give this a paint job now. And they're all freshly painted, and now I have 2 of them. They look really great. Alright, let's make the triggers now. They just go over the valve and they pull it. Gave them a nice chrome paint job. And they look spectacular. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already. These STL files are available on my Patreon, as well as a full parts list if you want to make them yourself.
Just make sure you give credit.
Thank you all so much again for watching. Comment down below what web shooter you think that I should make next. This is Blood Spider out.